Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Samsung app settings. So go ahead and swipe up, go to settings, and from here you want to scroll down to apps. Tap on that. Now from here you will find the Samsung app settings. Now if you tap on that, you will find all the applications that are on the Samsung phone, and if you're looking for general apps that you have installed, those will be under your apps on the main section. So you can go ahead and you can open up those applications, or if you're looking for specific Samsung apps, you can tap on that and you can basically view those apps. You see guys, it's very frequent when you install apps or you need to check app settings, you go there to check whatever settings and also set permissions and so forth. So this, what I'm showing you right here, is basically showing you how to find each of those apps so that you can check those app settings and you can change them when necessary. Right, so let's say I would like to change the app settings for WhatsApp. You will find the WhatsApp under your apps. So you can simply go ahead and scroll down and look for WhatsApp, or you can use the search and type in WhatsApp. Tap on that. Now here when you open it, you see all the different app settings such as notification, permissions, screen times, and so forth. Quite a lot of different options you can find here. Right, so you just need to go ahead and open that and you can find whatever settings you want for each apps. You can also see this for the Samsung apps as well. So if you go to Samsung apps, you can scroll down. Let's say I am looking for the app settings, for example, for the voice recorder. You can tap on that and here you find all of those settings as well, permissions and so forth. So whichever app you're looking for, guys, you can either find it under the Samsung app or your apps, and you can always go ahead and access those app settings so you can easily go ahead and make whatever changes to the app that you need. But this is how you easily do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.